fidget spinner in here. I already used this bag, and I forgot that I left my fidget spinner in there. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna put that to the side. Forget about that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another haul for you guys. During quarantine, I spent a lot of money that I probably really shouldn't have on stuff I really didn't need. But when you're bored, it's really hard not to online shop. And it just so happened to be during the time of the Kate Spade surprise sale. So if you didn't know, Kate Spade has an annual surprise sale where they have 75% off quite a few goodies. So what they do is they kind of shut their site down to a limited amount of things that are on sale, which, let me just tell you, is quite a lot. It ranges from handbags to clothing items to jewelry and accessories, and let me just say I went a little crazy on this sale. I couldn't help it. I am a die-hard Kate Spade fan, and when I saw how cheap these bags were going, I just needed to pick a few of them up. So I was really excited to share them with you guys and to let you guys know about the Kate Spade sale and show you a few of the goodies that I happened to snag from this sale. Also, I was just super excited to share them with you. So I hope you are excited to see what I got, and hopefully it will give you a few ideas on what you could get from the sale. So here we go. Okay, so the first bag I'm going to share with you is actually one of my favorites. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. I just couldn't help myself. So it is this beautiful gray crossbody bag. It is so cute. This bag is a gray pebble leather. It's super soft to the touch. I just love the way this feels. It's just, I love it so much. It has this little clover and bow on the front, and then on the bottom it has the Kate Spade logo in silver foiling. It has silver hardware and an adjustable strap, which is really nice. And then this I actually did not know when I first purchased the bag. It has this little magnetic pocket right here, so you can just like slip your phone in here or your keys in here, and it's like this really nice like velvet material or like suede material inside. So it's the little, there we go. This is the Kate Spade care card that comes with it. But then when you open the bag, you unzip it, and if I did not say this already, the little zipper says Kate Spade on it as well. But when you open the bag, there's a fidget spinner in here. I already used this bag, and I forgot that I left my fidget spinner in there. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna put that to the side. Forget about that. Okay, so when you open this bag, it has this really pretty like gray lining in here almost. So anyway, so on this side it has this really nice slip pocket for whatever you want to put in there, and then it has this really nice little leather tag right here that of course says Kate Spade in silver foiling. On the other side of the bag it has like a built-in wallet with these card holders, so you get 6 card holders in there, and I think that's really nice because I'm actually someone who, even though I have a wallet, I don't put my cards back in my wallet. I don't know, it's a really bad habit. I really need to learn how to break it, but the fact that this bag actually has like slots already put in there for me, I can just put my card right back in there and not have to worry about pulling my wallet out and putting my card back into the wallet. I don't know why that whole little extra step is just so hard for me, but it really is. I don't know. It's a really bad habit I need to break. But yeah, so this is one of my favorites. This is the Talia bag. I definitely could be wrong on that, but like I said, all the names, information, links will be linked down below. But yeah, so moving on. So if you haven't guessed already, I'm a huge fan of crossbody bags. I absolutely adore them. I don't know why, they're just really easy and simple, and just you can just toss it over your shoulder and it's just super convenient. So I had to pick up another crossbody bag. But so here is this this bag is actually gold. So the zipper is the exact same way. It says Kate Spade on the zipper. This bag is also adjustable as well. So on the back, it has the Kate Spade logo in gold foiling, and then it also has a slip pocket as well. So you can put like your phone or whatever in there, and it has the pink lining with the little spades all over it instead of the gray silver one. And honestly, that's what kind of made me fall in love with this bag. Just the nude and like the ballerina pink together, like that color combination. Just to die for. I couldn't help it. Honestly, could not help it. So you unzip the bag, and this one has a slip pocket as well, so you can slip whatever, what have you in there. So on the other side, it has the zipper pocket, and then there is the Kate Spade New York care card. Like, yeah, like I just absolutely love the color of the inside of the bag. It's just so cute. I don't know what it is about purses, but I go crazy for purses. I just can't help it. I don't know what my problem is. This bag is so gorgeous, and it's really structured and nice, so I feel like it's gonna last me a good while, especially if I use my little Kate Spade care card and take care of her like she's my best friend, because if you do that, then they will last forever. So this one is definitely my favorite out of all the Kate Spade bags that I've gotten. This bag is my favorite. It's this cute little backpack from Kate Spade. It's this lavender color, and she's a little squashed, but that's okay. It's this lavender color with this like these beautiful little flowers all over it. I'm so excited about this bag, so happy about this bag. But honestly, I would have paid the $279 for this. That might be a little crazy, but I totally would have. I love it so much. So this bag has a slip pocket in the front, but I honestly don't know what I would put in that because I don't know. It's a really tiny pocket, so I don't know what I would use that pocket for. But anyway, so on the front it has this little slip pocket, and then it has in like these little metal letters. Instead of it being foiled, it's like actual like letters, like they're raised, and I think that's awesome. In silver it says Kate Spade New York, and then it also has like the little handle on top with the silver hardware, and then it comes with two straps that are also adjustable, but they clip on and off, and then you also have like a little clips right here, so you could wear it different kinds of ways, which I think is really nice. So this bag is definitely like, what is the word I'm looking for? Convertible? Is that the word? I'm not sure. Like you can change the style of it up. I think it's convertible. I could be wrong. I don't know. So I don't know. Could definitely be a different word. And then also on the side of this bag, which I also didn't know that about this bag, it has this little pocket right here. It's like this little secret hidden pocket. But I think it's so cool, this little secret pocket that you got going on right here. And then when you open the bag, this little flap folds down. It has the same lining as the other two bags, but in a beige color, which I think is so beautiful. And then it just has a slip pocket in the back with the nude leather tag saying Kate Spade New York. And this bag, of course, also comes with the Kate Spade care card. So I can't wait to use this bag. I love this one so much, so much. Unfortunately, I know that they don't have this exact style on their site anymore, but they do have this style of bag in different colors. They just don't have this color anymore, so I'm so happy that I was actually able to snag this before they sold out. But yeah, I love this bag so much. It's so freaking cute. It gives me like, what is that Louis Vuitton bag called? It's the backpack that everybody has and everybody loves so freaking much, and I would die for one. I would literally die for one if I could get my hands on one. But if you know what little mini backpack from Louis Vuitton that I'm talking about, this one gives me vibes. Like this is like their Kate Spade version of that Louis Vuitton backpack. That's just like the vibe I'm getting from this one. So cute. And it's like the Stefano leather. The Stefano? Don't know. I know what I'm trying to say, but I don't know if I'm saying it right. But I'll have it linked down below. But it's the Stefano merino leather. I'm gonna just say it even if it's wrong. And it just feels so nice and like amazing. Like I love this bag so much. Like this one is my baby. I'm gonna take really good care of this one. Also from the sale, besides the amazing bags that I got, I picked up some jewelry, but the earrings came in this really pretty like ballerina pink Kate Spade bag with a green drawstring, and it says Kate Spade New York in green. And then on the inside, let's unwrap this bad boy. Obviously I haven't even messed with it. So these really pretty little gold Kate Spade earrings, just like the Spade logo, and I thought they would be so cute. Look at those. They're so cute and gold and shiny, and they're just little spades, and they make my heart so happy. I'm so happy I got this. But yeah, I'm so happy about these. They're so cute. They're really little. They're just so cute. Like I can't wait to wear these. So yeah. So cute and little. So cute. So if you spend $150 on the Kate Spade site, on the Kate Spade surprise sale, they give you as a freebie this really cute Kate Spade, as I have it backwards as always, this, oh, I guess I didn't have it backwards. It says it on both sides. I guess it didn't matter. This Kate Spade shopping tote. It's this really pretty lime green color, and it's really soft, and it says Kate Spade. Oh, it says Kate Spade New York with the Spade logo in white. And this bag is actually, it's like a canvas tote, you know? This bag is actually pretty big. Like, look at that. Like it covers my whole screen. And it's not even completely folded out. But I thought was pretty freaking awesome. Like you're spending money, you're gonna get a free little gift as well. I figured since I'm already doing a bag haul, why don't I throw in one extra little goodie that I got? This was the biggest impulse purchase I have ever done in my entire life. But once I saw it, I had to have it, and I figured I would just share it with you guys as a little bonus, because yeah, maybe y'all can validate me for my insane purchase that I did, that I really shouldn't have done, but I did. Okay, so now just so the record is shown, I am not a huge fan of Michael Kors. They're not my vibe, they're not my style. I don't vibe with them or fuck with them at all, but I did see this and I had to have it. So this is a Michael Kors bag, and y'all, it is so cute. It is just so cute. So, okay, let's just talk about how all of the lining of the bag is like neon. So the sides of the strap is like orange, and then we have like yellow on the sides and pink, and not only to mention that, we have this neochrome hardware. We got the neochrome studs, we got the neochrome little feet, we got the neochrome lock that like you lift and then you pull the bag open, and like the neochrome little clips. And of course, guys, you can take the strap off, so you can just wear it like, oh, you can just wear it by the handle, you know, however you want to wear it. But I saw it and I was just like, that is mine, that is coming home with me today. Absolutely adore it. So on the front of it, like it has this little lock thing, like you slip. Okay, well you would slip the lock. You would slip this little lock thing into this hole and push the thing down, and it would lock. And I'm having issues because I can't do it one-handed apparently. But it says Michael Kors right here on the neochrome hardware. This little neochrome thing. You lift it up, and it has a slip pocket here. I typically put my phone, like as a slip pocket there. I typically put my phone there. Also, when you open it up, Michael Kors, this is Michael Kors on it with like a chain detail type thing. I will do close-ups for you, of course, as always, because that's what I do. Anyway, so on this side, it has a zipper pocket. Zip. And on this side, it has, as I hit myself in the chin with it, it has another slip pocket. So, y'all, just be honest. Tell me what you think, because I spent $400 on this bag, guys. I did. It was a horrible impulse purchase for me. I just happened to see it. My sister pointed it out, and she was like, Taylor, look at this bag. And I was just like, oh, that has to come home with me today. And sure enough, she came home with me. She came home with me today. She's so cute, though. Like, how can you not? The only thing I don't like about this bag is the material it is kind of made out of. I'll do a close-up of it, but right here where like you lift open the bag, you can definitely see some wear and tear right there already, and I haven't even really had this bag all that long at all. I've had it for maybe a few weeks. As I throw it. But yeah, it's so cute though, so tell me what you think. I want your honest opinions, because I love it, and I just need a little bit of validation from y'all. So definitely tell me what you think down below in the comments. Of course, let me know which bag was your favorite, and if you plan on buying anything from the Kate Spade surprise sale, because honestly guys, you're really missing out if you don't. It is an amazing sale. It is so good. You really should check it out, because the prices are bomb. Like, they're to die for, and I guarantee you that you will find something that you will fall in love with. So definitely check it out. You won't be sorry. And yeah, other than that, I'll see y'all on the next one. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Y'all know the drill, and I will see you in the next video. And I do promise there will be more hauls in the future, but not in the next video. I swear. No hauls. I'm taking a break because I've spent way too much money on these purses and everything else. But I will see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.